Hi, I'm Joe Gitter, and today I'm going to show you how to make a perfectly stretched and shaped pizza dough. This will bake up with a fabulous tender interior and a crispy crust. We're going to start a day early. Shape your pizza dough into balls and place them in lightly oiled bowls. Then, proof the dough in the fridge for 24 hours. This will give the gluten plenty of time to relax, so the dough won't be too tight and tough to work with. When the 24 hours are up, take the dough out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature. This takes about an hour. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured countertop by inverting the glass bowl. Then sprinkle some flour on top. Now, gently press on the dough with your fingertips. Press down until your fingers are halfway to the counter. Then lift up your fingertips and repeat the process. Be sure to use a light touch. Too much handling will lead to a tough, chewy dough. Try a little tenderness. Once your dough measures 6 to 8 inches across, carefully pick it up with both hands and drape it over your fists. Let gravity pull the dough over your knuckles and gently stretch it out. If the dough starts to stiffen up, place it back down on the floured counter. It needs a timeout. Let it rest for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the gluten to relax, and you should be good to go. Remember, you'll need time and gentle, minimal handling for perfect pizza dough. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you thought of this how-to in the comments below and hit that subscribe button.